I recording? Am I recording? Yep, we're recording. Hi! Guess what time of the year it is? Any guesses? You guys probably already know it's back to school time. Ow, I just hit my finger on the backpack. The funny part about these videos is most of the people making these videos don't go to school, me included. This is my first back to school video of this year, so holla at Back to School Sarai. We back. We better than ever. Are we though? Yes, we are. Also guys, I vlogged me getting all these school supplies on my vlog channel, so definitely check that out after you watch this video. I didn't get anything for me. I wanted to focus more on you guys because I want to give back to you guys. And also, I don't need any school supplies because I don't go to school, but I take pencils and pens very seriously. So I'm going to show you guys the YouTube giveaway, and then I'm going to tell you the rules, and then I'm going to show you the Instagram prizes, and then tell you the rules for that. So you guys have 2 chances to win this back to school giveaway. Ew, what am I? But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's down below, so definitely click it. And turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Let's get started, yeah? Okay, so we're going to start with the YouTube prizes, and you guys are going to be shook. The first prize. I got you guys a MacBook, because I feel like this is so handy for like school time and just like life in general, so you're gonna be winning one of these. The next thing that you're gonna be winning is this pink backpack, and I love this color so much, and inside of it you're also gonna be winning this sparkly binder, a sparkly folder, hopefully whoever like wins this likes pink and sparkles because that would be tragic, a sparkly pencil pouch, like look how cute this is. I want it. Also, when I went to school, like the school supplies weren't this cute, and I'm kind of mad about it. You're gonna be winning this locker fur rug. Yes, a rug for your locker. We bougie. You're gonna be winning this magnetic succulent. Looks like this. Some gold wire lights because, you know, we gotta be Pinteresty out here. A locker accessory kit, so it comes with a mirror, a whiteboard, and some magnets and a pen, so you're gonna be winning this. Some Sharpie highlighters and colored pencils. This planner, which I think is so cute, and in the inside it's kind of like an ombre effect. I kind of dig. It keeps you organized, and I actually use a planner too, so I thought it'd be handy. This notebook, which is super cute. It has like a whole bunch of doodles and stuff on it, and it's kind of holographic. Another notebook, but this has pineapples on it. I really was feeling the notebooks, I think. And the last thing they're gonna be winning are these mechanical pencils. I love these ones so much, so that's everything the YouTube winner is gonna be winning. I hope you guys like the prizes. So if you guys want to win all this stuff and the MacBook, here are the rules. Also, these giveaways are international, so anyone can enter, and also get parents' permission if you are under 18. Also, this giveaway ends on August 20th, and I'm gonna be announcing the winner on that day too, so keep an eye out for that. So the first rule of this giveaway is that this is only open for subscribers, so definitely subscribe and subscribe to my vlog channel to enter this giveaway, because this is for like subscribers and giving back to you guys because you guys are awesome. Okay, so the second rule is just comment below on this video letting me know when you start school and some back to school video ideas, and make sure you only comment 1 time just because of spam reasons. And the third and last rule is follow me on Instagram. It's just at Krazyrayray. I will link it down below. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you're automatically entered into the Instagram giveaway, so you have 2 chances of winning. See what I did there? Okay, so now for the Instagram prizes. The first thing that you're gonna be winning is this really cute backpack, and I love this because I always wear my small like Adidas black backpack everywhere I go. I just thought it was really cute, and I was like, oh my god, I love this. So you're gonna be winning this backpack. You're gonna be winning the same sparkly binder, a sparkly notebook. Oh my gosh. I really wish I had this. You're gonna be winning a magnetic chandelier for your locker. Your locker. Like, oh. This planner, because planners, guys, they are so important. A magnetic weekly board, and this is like marble print. I think it's super cute. This composition notebook, which says work hard, no drama, have fun. That's the motto. These really cute patch magnets, and it comes with like a smiley face, a diamond, love, and a pineapple. I wish they had these when I went to school. Like, it's rude. And the last thing you're gonna be winning is some highlighters. So that's all the prizes for the Instagram giveaway. So now on to the rules. The first rule is obviously follow me on Instagram. It's just at Krazyrayray. I will link it down below. The second rule is comment this emoji on my recent Instagram post. The last rule, which gives you extra points, is tag 3 of your besties or friends in the picture. That's the bonus. So be sure to enter before August 20th because that's when it ends and when I'm announcing it. Also, I'll have all the rules down below in the description box. If I like said some of them weird or you just didn't understand, I will have them written out down below. But yeah, I am so excited to be doing this because I literally love you guys so much. You guys are my world, and I just want to give back back more, and I hope you guys like all these prizes. I hope you guys are ready for my next back to school videos. They're gonna be poppin'. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!